create a line for that. And I'm just going to start mapping out the shapes that I see so I can get the overall surface. All right, a little bit of information for our pathway. Comes forward and just coming up here. Something that you're not happy with, well, you can either fix it or you can just go with it. Become impatient, they make a few marks and they're on the right track, but they stop and give up because they don't get those immediate results that they just by changing the direction of the lines that we make. So you can see a lot of our lines that we created for the rock wall here, a lot of them go different directions, but we've got a lot that go vertical. So if we bring a few down here horizontal, think of things in light and dark areas. Almost forces you to really push your value range. So I'm going to add a little bit of value back here. A lot of it is light, but I don't want it to be white because we've got a little patch of light right up here at the top of our trees. Getting in up there. Now our canopy goes all the way across, so I'm going to same shape. That would be impossible. When light's coming in from the woods, it's sometimes difficult to find out or really discover where the light source is coming from. Our light source is coming from the upper left-hand side. Area right here in the back. So that's where I'm going to start with my white conte. We will go back and just push a few of our branches a little bit further. Translate as rocks. Of modern printing techniques, that's lithography is kind of starting to go away. Soften up this edge a little bit to it. Feels a little bit more distant. With that, I'm going to go ahead and call it quits and log off for tonight. I hope you guys have a great week.
Become a member and gain access to over 45 hours of art instruction, including weekly live 1-hour lessons and special video courses like the Secrets to Drawing video course, which teaches you the fundamentals of drawing. To become a member, just visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members and subscribe today.